The Dashboard tab is the default window after selecting your device in the Device Selection window. At the bottom of the screen, you can switch between the Dashboard, Live Data, and Record tab when you're troubleshooting a fault. The purpose of the Dashboard tab is to show an overall status of the circuit while including tools to help troubleshoot. If you're troubleshooting an ARC fault trip, you will observe the RF arc noise meter. The RF arc noise meter will change based on the amount of RF arc noise present in the circuit. The higher the level, the more likely an arc fault trip will happen. The color coding for the RF arc noise meter with red indicating a high chance of tripping due to high RF arc noise present on the circuit, while yellow indicates arcing characteristics are present and green for little to no arcing. If you're troubleshooting a ground fault trip, observe the leakage current and the ground to neutral indicator. The leakage current will measure the amount of leakage on the ground wire. If a GFCI breaker detects a leakage of 6 milliamps or more in a circuit, it will trip. The ground to neutral indicator is green when there is no contact between the neutral and ground wire, but will turn red if it detects contact between the two wires. When troubleshooting overcurrent, observe the peak current and current panes to see if the active loads are drawing more current than the breaker's current rating. On the top left of the dashboard is the Mode Selection window, which allows you to switch between normal, peak hold, and retrieve trip event. Normal mode is the default mode, which will show continuous real-time data. You can use this mode to monitor the circuit's behavior in real time while turning loads on and off. Peak hold mode will show and hold the highest value of each status pane until a higher value is detected. The peak values can be reset to 0 by pressing the clear button. Retrieve trip event mode will display the values when a trip event occurs. The IntelliArc does not automatically record trip events until the IntelliArc is in trip capture mode by double tapping the blue button on the side. The IntelliArc can only hold one trip data at a time, which can be overwritten when another trip event is captured. In the next video, we'll go over the Live Data tab.